Hi friends, welcome to my channel Nursing Guru 24. Today I will share some important tips for preparing for nursing exams. Preparing for state and central government nursing jobs requires a focused and systematic approach. Here are some effective preparation tips to help you succeed. First one, understand the exam pattern and syllabus. Regarding exam pattern, know the number of sections, question types and time duration. Most exams include nursing subjects, general knowledge, reasoning, English and current affairs. Related to syllabus, focus on core nursing subjects like medical surgical nursing, pediatric nursing, mental health nursing, community health nursing, anatomy and physiology. Check official notifications for specific syllabus details. Second one, create a study plan. Divide the syllabus into manageable sections. Allocate specific time for each topic. Keep time for revision and solving mock tests. Focus on core nursing subjects. Refer to standard textbooks such as Brunner and Sudhar's textbook of medical surgical nursing, Lippincott Manual of Nursing Practice, Anatomy and Physiology by Tortora and Erickson, etc. Revise important topics like nursing procedures and protocols, diseases, their management and nursing interventions, drug classifications and pharmacology basics. Fourth one, general knowledge and current affairs. Read daily newspapers or current affairs magazines. Focus on healthcare related policies, schemes like NHM, Ayushman Bharat, etc. Prepare for state specific general knowledge if applying for state exams. Fifth one, practice reasoning and aptitude. Solve reasoning, numerical ability and data interpretation questions. Use practice books like R.S. Agarwal's Quantitative Aptitude or similar aptitude books. Sixth one, English language skills. Work on grammar, vocabulary and comprehension. Practice previous year papers to get an idea of the types of questions asked. Seventh one, solve previous year question papers. Analyze the types of questions asked in previous exams like AIMS NORCET, RRB staff nurse and state PSC exams. Focus on high yield topics that are repeatedly tested. Take mock tests. Attempt online or offline mock tests to improve speed and accuracy. Identify weak areas and work on them. Next, keep updated with notifications. Regularly check official websites like AIMS, RRB, state PSC portals, NHM websites. Set reminders for application deadlines and exam dates. Next, stay physically and mentally fit. Take breaks to avoid burnout. Practice relaxation techniques like yoga or meditation to reduce stress. Next one, resources to use. Books like Essentials of Nursing for Competitive Exams by Nanda and Nanda, AIMS NORCET preparation books, IGNOU nursing study materials, etc. can be used. Online platforms, enroll in online courses or test series from reputable websites like Nursing Next, Prep Ladder or Unacademy. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, please do share and subscribe the channel.